New research suggests that dogs can copy each other's facial expressions just like people. Italian scientists say dogs show signs of basic empathy, tuning in to each other's emotions and helping them build social bonds. Here's Helen Briggs.
It's often been said that pet dogs look like their owners, but now a new study suggests they're good at looking like each other too. Researchers in Italy have found that dogs can copy each other's expressions just like people, showing signs of basic empathy. Mimicking each other's facial expressions is a human habit, but owners agree their canine companions do it too.
If there's a confident dog in the bunch, she'll become really confident. If there is a quite dominant dog, she'll mimic that and become quite dominant as well. Won't you?
She'll smile if another dog is friendly and wagging the tail. You could actually see dimples. I know that sounds crazy, but you have to know your dog to be able to see them.
He does that. Yeah, he does that.
After analysing 50 hours of video, the scientists behind the study found that dogs were able to mimic the facial expressions and movements of other dogs in a split second.
Mimicry is extremely spontaneous. A dog can read the motivation and the emotional state of the other dog by mimicking the same expression and body movement of the other dog.
The researchers say dogs don't behave this way to impress their human owners, it's to bond with other dogs. But not everyone agrees.
What they claim is that because dogs are mimicking one another, they must be understanding what each other is thinking. Now, they may be at some level, but what all the people who've studied canine science over the past 20 years have now agreed is that dogs are actually incredibly good readers of body language. They don't necessarily have to, and indeed they may not be able to understand the thought going on behind it.
Here at the Dogs Trust, they're used to seeing the behaviour of dogs on a daily basis.
It's no surprise to us that we regularly see dogs using their body language and their facial expressions to communicate with each other. We tend to put dogs in pairs in the kennels. It's really good for their enrichment. Dogs love to be around other canine friends, and this way of communicating is really important to understand each other.
Dogs are known to respond to human emotions such as a yawn, suggesting they show some basic aspects of empathy. But until now, the idea of split-second mirroring involved in social bonding has only been seen in humans and non-human primates such as chimps and orangutans. So why the canine copycats? This behaviour is why humans automatically mirror a smile or a laugh, enabling the sharing of emotions. It seems that man's best friend wants to feel empathy for their four-legged as well as two-legged companions. Helen Briggs, BBC News.